Imagine a planet where water merges with the land, spawning diverse ecosystems known as wetlands. These unsung heroes, from lush marshes to vast peatlands, are crucial for ecological balance, purifying water, and acting as carbon sinks to combat climate change. Present on every continent, they provide shelter for countless species and support human communities, emphasizing the importance of understanding and protecting these vital ecosystems. Join us as we explore the significance of wetlands in maintaining biodiversity, mitigating climate change, and their unmatched ability in water purification. Nestled within Earth's landscapes, wetlands offer more than meets the eye. Beyond serving as biodiversity hotspots and climate buffers, they are pivotal in purifying our water. Each element within these environments, from each water droplet to marsh patch, plays a vital role in planet's health. Wetlands are bustling with life, hosting a myriad of species that fortify ecosystem resilience and stability. Their capacity to sequester carbon makes them formidable allies against climate change by removing greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. Additionally, their filtration systems naturally cleanse water, enhancing water quality and lessening reliance on artificial purification methods. Wetlands also underpin various ecosystem services crucial for human well-being and economies by protecting shorelines, mitigating flooding, and bolstering fisheries and agriculture. The preservation of these ecosystems is intrinsically linked to our collective future, highlighting the pressing need for actions to safeguard them. However, a menace shadows the vital roles of wetlands due to human activities such as pollution and unsustainable land use, causing notable degradation. This not only leads to the loss of habitats, but also diminishes their capacity for climate mitigation and water purification. The global decline of wetlands leaves ecosystems fragmented and species on the edge of extinction, affecting both local biodiversity and climate regulation capabilities. Acknowledging the direct link between the welfare of wetlands and human prosperity sets the stage for a crucial decision: the choice between ongoing destruction or a commitment to restoration and conservation. In conclusion, as we wrap up our exploration of wetlands, the urgency for their preservation becomes clear. The collective efforts in conservation highlight a path towards hope, emphasizing the role of every individual and policymaker in safeguarding these ecosystems. It's a shared responsibility to protect wetlands, ensuring they continue to nourish biodiversity, purify water, and sustain life. Together, let's commit to actions that secure their well-being for future generations. The moment to act is now.